Hello guys, I am Bhavesh. Today I am going to show you how to paint in Grayscale and color it using gradient map. In Grayscale painting, you have to use different levels of gray to paint. So let's start. If you are doing portrait art, first of all you need to make a silhouette out from your reference photo. This will make things easier for you. Else you need to make a rough sketch. Once you have the silhouette, you need to locate the important features of the face using construction lines by simply looking at the reference and observing where the lines will fall, from forehead to eyebrows and eyes, from eyes to nose tip, from nose tip to chin. If you know the fundamentals of anatomy, it will be easier for you. Now, by using construction lines, build the structure of the nose, eyes, lips and create outline for facial hair. Also, create rough outlines for clothes by looking at the reference. If you do so, you will have a sketch. You don't need to be very smooth at this point because we will do cleanups later on. Now, we will block out larger areas through shading. Select a large airbrush for this and always make sure you have a new layer selected while you are adding something new in the artwork. I always use brush opacity and eraser opacity in about 30 to 40%. It helps me to build different values. We need to do shadings in 50% gray. After working on values to create form and shape, it is the time to add some details. Starting from the eyes, for detailing, use a hard brush with pressure sensitivity on and set the hardness up to 70% to get smooth lines, or use higher percent whichever you are comfortable in. Now add more darker shade in some areas to create shadows and hair. We have to work on soft edges to pop them out. The areas near eyes need to pop out, so we use soft brush with 30 to 40% hardness. Having amount of hardness on soft brush will prevent fuzziness. Do not overdo the dark shade. If you have done so, you can lower down the opacity. Now we will add more details to pop out the important features of the face. Here you can work with 80% grey and do not go beyond 80% because we have to add colors later on. Add facial hairs and slowly create more edges to differentiate different things from one another. The process will look repetitive, but this is the best way to get maximum accuracy. By the way, I will tell you, do not go for perfectionism, it will consume more time. Here comes the best part, highlights. Use 70% hard brush for hard and edgy highlight and soft brush to lighten up the area beneath the edge. Also, use only 20 to 25% gray for the highlight. You can use different skin texture brushes to create more realistic portrait. Now we have to add colors on grayscale. For this we are using gradient map. Add a gradient map adjustment layer. Now start from the left and select darker color for shadows and then go for midtones and highlights, or just play with the colors and sliders until you get the good combination. Select different areas you want to color and apply gradient map on them. Once you are satisfied with the colors, you can use more soft airbrush to pop some areas up by using an overlay layer on the top of gradient maps. Play more with color balance and curves to get appropriate colors. It is up to your satisfaction. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have got the information that I have shared. This is my first voiceover tutorial. I don't know my voice sounds good or not. Please comment and tell me how informative this tutorial is and what topic should I cover in the next video, and please like and subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon and please share this video with your friends who are interested in art. You can also follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. All links are in the description.